Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel, Coffee Tea Paper. My name's Louise, and I'm so sorry. I think over the next few weeks there may be a bit of a delay with getting the journal prompts out. If you're new to my channel or you haven't seen my last couple, we're having our kitchen laundry area, like basically a big chunk of our house being remodeled and renovated. On the weekend we end up with homework. Yes, the builders give us homework. So it's just a bit of a juggling act at the moment. Please just bear with me. Thank you so much for your patience. Each week we will get there. Now I'm jumping in to record this quickly. They normally turn up about 6:30 in the morning and they're not here yet. So I'm going to just quickly look at our card for this week, see what we can do. I have to confess I already have some bits and pieces on my desk that I've put together just for the sake of saving time and grasping opportunities when I can. So I have no idea what the card is going to be like, if it's going to be applicable or relevant, but it is what it is. So we've got our little box of calm. Last week it was, if your compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete. That's actually a very good reminder. If you're always showing other people compassion, you're really hard on yourself or judging yourself, you're not actually going to be particularly happy, I feel. The other thing that was a bit of a giggle about this card was when I looked at it, I thought it was just sort of a mix of flowers. And then when I actually looked closer, it had the koi fish and it was a pond. And I think a few people saw that initially at first as being flowers as well. So it's quite fun to see people's takes on this. I do apologize if I haven't commented on your spread for last week. It's just it's been more chaotic than I envisaged, to be honest. So let's see quickly what we've got. At some point I'm sure I'm going to have to swap over to doing a voiceover later, and so we just see how much we can get in before the team turns up. Okay, oh, we better put this one back. Week 18, gosh. Okay, goes quite nicely with my little arrangement there. Stand still and allow your mind to rest. Yeah, and my mind's not getting much rest at this point, but yes, I should take a moment. I should get out my loop earplugs. Maybe when I make a coffee and just disappear for a bit and allow my mind to rest. Yep, I like that. So the bits and pieces I got out were, I had this paper that Jess, one of my pen pals, sent me, and I just found that the color palette with the blues and the flowers just very relaxing. And she also popped in a couple of pet samples of some flowers, and they just look lovely together. And then I've just grabbed a few other bits and pieces of paper because my desk is a mess right now. And I apologize if you can hear the birdies because I've had to move them, so we're all kind of in a very little space right now. So they're a bit closer. She also sent me this, but I'm not sure if I use that. I'm not sure if it'll go. We just stick with these sort of blues and purples. Okay, maybe let's do that. Okay, and I'm not lighting a candle today because I just don't know how long I'm going to have at my desk. I'm also very behind with my actual journaling. As you can see, I haven't done any writing at all for the last couple of weeks, which I'm really disappointed about, because obviously there's so much going on. I actually have a lot to write down. Yeah, I just need to make some time. I'm hoping that things will settle down soon. So anyway, let's jump in. Grab your journal, pause here if you need to go and get some supplies. Quote we're looking at is stand still and allow your mind to rest. So I might pop some music on, and yeah, let's get into it while we can. I'll try to also put in a little bit of progress video of what's been happening with the kitchen and laundry area as well. It is interesting in a way. Okay, I might actually write the quote here, and then we'll work out a layout. Okay, my friends, I'm actually going to stop there. I know it's a very simple one. I quite like it. I like the color palette, and I find that the colors here just very relaxing and very peaceful. Hope you do too. I'm really interested to see what you guys do with this one. Not a huge fan of the block capitals with the back shadow, because I just don't feel that it gels with the quote. But we know this box throws up some interesting design choices, so we've just got to go with that and accept, like we did with last week with the fish, or just ignore and read the words for their own meaning. Now, I'm hoping to do a video soon because I have lots of updates about Ferris wheel press, and they've been doing a whole lot of restructuring. So I've got a little bit more information now, so I am very keen to share that with you guys. In the meantime, my code has actually changed. So if you are in the market for some Ferris wheel press products, be they their pens or inks or other product lines that they're bringing out, please be aware that my code has changed to JA-CTP. So it's the same code CTP, but just with the addition of JA and a dash in front of it. I'll put it up on the screen here. I'll be changing it in all my description boxes and so forth when I get the time. Ha 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 ha, she says. But yes, so I'm hoping to bring that update video to you soon. Quite interesting what they're doing. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching, for joining in, for your kind comments and funny observations. I really enjoy reading them. And I will see you next week, and I will try to be more timely. We'll just see what the circumstances are. But thank you so much. Bye.